Hi everyone, hope everyone is doing good.
Today we are going to see a simple, healthy plantain banana porridge for babies and toddlers. This is Divya. Welcome to Being Mom. In this channel, we'll be discussing about the well-being of our kids and give them the best always. So make sure to be the part of the family by subscribing to this channel.
Let us see how to make homemade plantain banana flour and a porridge from it. For making this plantain banana flour, buy 4 to 5 pieces of plantain banana, that is Nendragam banana, which is green in color. First, peel off the skin and slice the banana using a slicer. This type of banana is an excellent source of potassium, magnesium and fiber. This has vitamin A, vitamin C and vitamin B6 that benefits the brain function in children. This is also good for heart and helps to lower the blood pressure. Also, this helps to prevent asthma, cancer, diabetes, cardiovascular disease and digestive problems. Once sliced all bananas, dry it under sun for 2 days. Using a dry jar, grind it to a smooth paste. You can store this powder in an airtight container. Now let us see how to prepare porridge from this plantain banana flour. First take 3 tablespoons of grinded flour and mix it well with water. Add some quantity of salt. See to that the flour is completely dissolved. There should not be any lumps floating. Soak it for 10 minutes. If your baby have crossed 1 year, you can add 2 teaspoons of palm sugar instead of salt. Then use a double-layered strainer to filter the liquid from the residue. You can add some water to the residue and filter it back to make sure that you have taken all the juicy part. Allow this porridge to boil well. Now you could see that the bubbles are rising. The plantain banana porridge is ready to be served. Hope you like this video. Try this at your home. This porridge is too healthy for babies and toddlers. For more videos for healthy dishes, make sure to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for instant update. Let us meet on the next video. Thank you. Bye-bye.